Okay, so this is the last lesson. Not last lesson, but ito yung last lesson for today. Okay, wait lang. Naupo kasi ako. Okay, so lesson 6 of Talk to Me in Korean Level 2. So in this lesson, guys, we're introducing two more conjunctive words. So ito yung continuation ng conjunctions na topic natin last time. So again, kung naalala nyo, what are the first two conjunctions na na-discuss ko, na-explain ko sa mga last videos? Yun yung 그리고, ano meaning? And. Okay? And then, pangalawa is 그래, 그래서. Okay? 그래서 meaning so. Okay? Parang ganun lang siya. So, para mas madali. So, 그리고 and 그래서. So, ngayon, may dalawa pa guys. Kasi medyo abo to sila. So, ginaamat-amat lang. So, two more conjunctive words. Dalawa pa. These are but or however. Okay, but or however. So actually, parehas silang meaning na but or however. So una is si 그렇지만. Okay? 그렇지만. Tsaka pangalawa is si 그런데. So parehas sila meaning na but, pero, parang ganun. Or however, pero medyo magkaiba lang ng konti ang situation or context nila. Okay, kung saan sila pwede gamitin. So we have an examples here. Some examples. Ayan. So number 1. Okay, yung una. 피곤해요. Okay, 피곤해요. Sabi niya, ano nga, gaoy ako. Yan. I'm tired. 피곤해요. 그렇지만, okay, 그렇지만, but, 영화, what is 영화 again? Movie or a movie. 보고 싶어요. 보고 싶어요 meaning want to watch or want to see. Gusto ko manood. I'm tired, pero gusto ko manood ng movie. So, doon natin ginagamit si Krochiman. Kumbaga may cause and effect, parang ganun. Ay, hindi. Hindi siya cause and effect. Basta parang, wait lang, maubo ko anay. Okay. So, again, si Krochiman ginagamit siya kung may reason ba, mag-reason out ikaw. Like for example, um, gusto mo gawin ang isang bagay pero parang ganun. Pero yan, kung ano man yung reason na yun. Okay? That's Krochiman. Okay? Another example. Okay, ano natin i-compare. 피곤해요. 피곤해요. I'm tired. 그런데, so eto 그런데 naman ang ginamit. hindi na 그렇지만. 그런데 영화 보고 싶어요. But I want to see a movie. So parehas gid andang nga meaning. 'Di ba? So I'm tired but I want to see a movie. Pero iba na ang andang nga meaning kung iintindihon natin gid ang difference. So I'm tired but I want to see a movie. So this is the explanation below. Okay. Sige. So, ang sabi dito, 그렇지만 and 그런데, ang pag-pronounce by the way dito guys is parang mabilis. Like sa 그리고 last time, 그리고 and 그래서. 그리고, 그래서. Hindi sila pinopronounce na bi-syllable na 그리고. Okay? So, that's it. 그리고, 그래서. Ito naman, 그렇지만. Though medyo mabilis din. 그렇지만, 그런데, 그런데, instead of 그런데. Okay, 그런데 both mean but or however. But there is some difference between the usages of these two words. So, look at the following examples. Sige, tingnan natin yung mga examples sa baba. Una, okay, the first one, sabi dito, 어제. So again, 어제 means yesterday. 이거, okay, ano nga na yung 이거? This. 샀어요. bumili. So I bought this yesterday. 어제 이거 샀어요. 그렇지만, okay, 그렇지만, but, 정말 is really, parang ano siya guys, formal way to say really. So, 정말 is more formal than 진짜. Wait lang. Okay, so 정말 커요. 커요 is big. Okay, so I bought this yesterday. 그렇지만 it's really big. So 어제 이거 샀어요. 그렇지만 정말 커요. Anong explanation dito? Okay, sige, wait lang. Basahin muna natin yung number 2. Okay. So, 어제, same ano ha, sentence. 어제 이거 샀어요. Pero dito, 그런데 정말 커요. Okay. 어제 이거 샀어요. 그런데 정말 커요. So, anong explanation? Sa sentence number 1, 그렇지만 means but or however. So the speaker is contrasting the two facts, having bought this yesterday and this being too big. So it sounds like the speaker is disappointed that it's very big. So ito lang ang clue natin. So if you are like disappointed from uh, some things, tapos ano ka bala? Reklamo ka. Reason out yung sabi ko kanina, reklamo ikaw. So, you use the krochiman as pero. Like, for example, nami daad pero mga makara. Okay? So, for example, 제, 제 엄마는, diba, my mother, 제 엄마는, 예뻐요. And pretty. My mother's pretty. 그렇지만, pero, 시끄러워. 시끄러워 means maingay. Yan. So, parang ganun. May contrast. May ano nga ni tawag. Comparison. Yan. So, ito maganda. Ito hindi. Okay? Parang positive, negative. Yun yung Crochiman. Doon nyo siya gamitin. Okay? So, I hope clear siya. Proceed tayo sa explanation ng kuronde. Okay, ito. So, kronde. In sentence number 2, kronde means but. Okay, but at the same time, it can mean and as well. If what the speaker is implying is the meaning of and, the entire sentence can mean, I bought this yesterday and it's really big. Or, I bought this yesterday and as I found out, ano na to po yan? Wait lang. I bought this yesterday and as I found out, it's really big. So, kumbaga do, in this part, pag gronde ang ginagamit, you're not contrasting ng mga bagay. Wala ka nag-compare but katao ka lang kang imong explanation. Na-explain ka lang. Nagbakala ko pero hanggod siya. Malaki hanggod. Mabahol. Mabahol siya. Tama na. So, wala ka basta ang tip lang, grouchy when you show your disappointment on something. Yan. That's grouchy Okay? Or like compare ikaw. Pero pag gronde, do nagaano ka lang, nagatao ka lang kay imo nga opinion. Okay? About this yesterday and it's really big. Okay? Ganun lang siya. So paano ba pag sa pag sa aton nga dialect? For example, nalabla nga sa mga cases nga for example hamal nimo hay. Um, sorry. Wait lang. Mm. So for example, ay kanami ka laptop na nami kuntang laptop kaso mahal. Nandoon mo na bala. So wala ka man disappoint, you're just expressing your opinion. Yan, so gronde amo na ang gamiton mo. That's it. So for example, no, sa Korean, um, laptop is, let's just use the word computer. Computer, e-computer pala, this. E-computer는, or e-computer, um, 너무 is also really, 너무, 멋있어요. 멋있어요 means cool. Parang cool ba? Cool. This laptop is cool. 멋있어요. Tapos ang gamiton naton diya when you're showing and expressing your opinion, you can just say 그런데. 그런데 pero or kaso 비싸요. 비싸요 is mahal. 그런데 비싸요 or 그런데 너무 비싸요. 진짜 비싸요. Okay. By the way, 진짜 is usually jinja na lang siguro dito. Kasi jinja is usually used sa mga positive. Okay, positive lang. Sinomo is usually used sa mga negative terms. So like for example, 진짜 멋있어요. 멋있어요 is cool. So positive word siya. 진짜 예뻐요. Positive word man ang 예뻐요 kasi pretty. 비싸요 is mahal. Yan. So 너무 비싸요. Okay? So negative siya. So 너무 aton gamiton. 진짜 and 너무 have the same meaning. Really. This computer is really cool. Okay? Pero, kaso, really mahal. Okay? Really expensive. So, doon ginagamit si Gronde. Okay? So, I hope this one's clear, guys. Abo-abo, aben the term. Okay, so summary na kita. Konting tiis na lang. Let's see. May mga example pagkaliya. Okay, sige. So, summary. But, okay, 그렇지만. But or and, okay, depende sa context is 그런데. If you want to contrast two sentences and say CA plus CA but B, you can choose to use either 그렇지만 or 그런데. So contrast. So pwede man daw si 그런데 amal na kon kang gina pag naga-contrast or compare kita si 그렇지만 ang ginagamit. But pwede man daw si 그런데. If you want to introduce two actions or states that occurred one after another, and if the first sentence works as background information for the second sentence, only use kronde. So, para to make it simple, yung gina-explain ko kanina. Okay, kronde. Kumbaga doon ka lang, nag-explain or express ka lang ng opinion. Okay, pero kung naga-contrast or compare ko no ikaw, pwede man natin gamitin si Crochiman or Gronde. Either of them. Okay? Kasi parehas man actually sila meaning. Okay, sige. Proceed. Okay, may mga example kita dito. Adjust ko lang. Okay, sige, ito. For example, 어제. Di ba, 어제 is yesterday. 학교에. 학교 is school, pero may e siya, so it means to school. 학교에 갔어요. Past tense. I went to school yesterday. 그렇지만, but, 일요일, Sunday. 이었어요 means was. Okay? Okay, so that's it. 일요일이었어요. 어제 학교에 갔어요. 그렇지만 일요일이었어요. So dito, bakit si 그렇지만 ang ginamit? Okay? Pero it was Sunday. Bakit si 그렇지만 ang ginamit dito na part? Kasi we are like okay, sige. Sige lang. Ano lang kita, mag-compare na lang kita dito. Okay, i-continue na lang natin. The explanation is here below. So also we have here 어제. Okay, 어제 is again yesterday. Paras man lang na guys. Yesterday. 학교에 to school 갔어요. Went. 그런데 so 그렇지만 sa una no, ito naman 그런데 일요일이었어요. It was Sunday. So I went to school yesterday and by the way it was Sunday. So pagka itong imo nga meaning depende nga ni daw sa context no. So kung ginanamin mo is ito, nagkadto ako sa school kahapon pero it's Sunday. Yan, parang doon nag-add information ka lang or doon nag-add background information ka lang. Ang gamitin mo is si 그런데. Okay? And also, I went to school yesterday and as I found out after I went, it was Sunday. So, ang explanation kagina no, after ginagamit siya sa mga sentences after something or after one happened. Okay, so gronde man ang gamiton natin. Okay, so wait lang. Okay, so kumbaga dito sa babaw, balik ko anis babaw. Si man ang ginagamit dito, man imo gamiton kung parang ikaw nagka-compare ka lang. Nagkadto ako sa school pero Sunday gali do man na wala. So it shows kinda disappointed ka. Okay? Kaya wala ka na inform nga it was Sunday. So man. Okay? Ganun lang. Next explanation. As you can see, kuronde can be used for a wider variety of meanings, and in addition to that, 그렇지만 has a very formal nuance to it. So in actual everyday conversations, 그런데 is much more commonly used than 그렇지만. And 그렇지만 is more commonly used in written language. So kumbaga 그렇지만, kung nabudlayan gid ka mo mag-intindi, just um, think na 그렇지만 is more formal. So ginagamit siya sa mga speech, written language, sa mga interview, like that. So again, ang sabi dito, gronde daw is much commonly used. So kung daw nabudlayan ka gin magamit sa andang daywa, hay, gronde is okay. Actually, gronde is really common actually. Okay? Kung nabudlayan ka gid pero grammar-wise, yeah, you have to use different terms. Okay? Sige. Proceed kita guys sa sample sentences. Yan. Yung mga sample sentences kita from our friends. Okay. Si Kyungmi. Sabi ni Kyungmi, 어제. Sorry. Again, 어제, yesterday. 과음했어요. 과음 means nalasing. Okay. 과음했어요 or drank too much. Okay. Nalasing ako yesterday. 그런데 but 말짱해요. 말짱해요. Okay na daw. Okay, so ito mga meaning. 과음하다 or 과음했어요. uminom ng marami or nalasing. 말청하다 or 멀쩡하다. Okay? Parehas lang yan guys. 멀쩡, 멀쩡. To be perfectly okay. So, pwede man gamitin yung term na 괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 그런데 괜찮아요 is okay. So, 어제 괌했어요. 그런데 마땅해요. Okay? So, pwede mo na rin gamitin dito yung 그렇지만. Actually, pwede na rin si 그렇지만. Pero, mm, 그렇지만, 그렇지만 괜찮아요. pwede na rin si 그렇지만 kung sa formal. Okay? Pero kung mga conversations, daily conversations, okay na rin yung kronde. Kronde is much more formal, much more common. Okay? Next, basahin natin yung next na sabi ni Mikyong. Mikyong said, okay, 어제. Parang very very common yung 어제. 어제 is yesterday, 'di ba? Pero pag 'di ba 밤, sabi ko kanina 밤 is night. So pag sinabing 어제 밤, okay, it means last night. Yesterday night or last night. 어제 밤 늦게 잤어요. 늦게 is late. Okay? 늦게 잤어요 is slept or went to bed. Natulog. Okay? Natulog ako late last night. 그런데 ulit. 전혀, okay? Ay, dito may mga meanings. So 늦게, late. 전혀 means not at all. Okay, not at all. 피곤하다 or 피곤해요, tired. Sorry. 전혀 피곤하. Yan, it means to be tired. Yung G anayo means not at parang can't. Sorry, no, not pala, not or don't. Okay, don't. Like don't eat is 먹지 않아요. Yan, 먹지 않아요. Don't go is 가지 않아요. Parang ganun. So 피곤하지 않아요 is not tired. Okay? Not tired. Since may word siya na 전혀, it means not tired at all. 전혀 피곤하지 않아요. Okay? So dito pwede mo rin gamitin si 그렇지만, pero again, 그렇지만 is more like formal to use. Okay, I went to bed late last night, but I'm not tired at all. 어제 밤 늦게 잤어요. 그런데 전혀 피곤하지 않아요. Okay? Okay, next. Proceed kita. Check ko ano eh. Okay, so this is the last page for lesson 6 naman, guys. Tapusin lang natin mga examples. Okay, so si Mikyong, sabi ni Mikyong, 저는 I 매일 every day. Okay, every day 운동을 해요. 운동을 해요 is workout or exercise. So, exercise ako every day. 그런데, but, 살이, okay? 살이, ito. 살이 빠지다 is magbawas ng timbang. 살이 빠지. Okay, 살이 빠지. Ano again ang si anayo? Don't or not. So, not, sorry, wait lang, maubuan na ako. Okay, so that's it. I work out every day. Okay, but I don't lose any weight. 저는 매일 운동을 해요. 그런데 살이 빠지지 않아요. Okay, 빠지지 않아요. Okay, so that's it. So, 그런데 nang ginagamit kasi, again, common na rin kasi si 그런데. Okay, next. Sabi ni Hyusong, friend. Hyusong 친구. Okay. 어제 is yesterday, di ba? May word nga 같이. 어제까지는, okay, 어제까지 is until, then yesterday. Until yesterday is 어제까지는 is particle ng subject. 어제까지는 친구 is friends. 친구였어요. Okay, 친구였어요. Were friends. Okay, wait lang guys. Okay. 그런데, but, 오늘 is today. 오늘 is today. 부터 is from. So, pag sinabing 오늘부터, simula ngayon, okay, 오늘부터는 is particle. ain is sana all date. Okay, ain is date. So, ain, lover, ayan. In relationship. Okay. So, each other, dating each other. So, 애인이에요. So, again, until yesterday, we were friends. Okay, but from today, we are dating each other. 어제까지는 친구였어요. 그런데 오늘부터는 애인이에요. Yan. So, pwede nyo na yan, guys, caption. Char. Sa mga nagpa-plan. Okay, so that's it. And then another sentence from Hyusong. 저는 I, okay, 친구가 없어요. 친구 없어요. 'Di ba? 없어요 is wala. Okay, so I don't have friends now. 저는 친구가 없어요. Or 친구 없어요 is okay. kahit wala ng ka. 저는 친구 없어요. 그런데 but 왕따 means outcast, yan, loner. So, kumbaga daw, hindi man siya, introvert, but basta nag-iisa, may sariling mundo, parang yan. 그런데 왕따는 아니에요. Okay? 아니에요 means no. I'm not. Okay? Budlay magsulat. Okay, ano ko na. So, 아니에요 means I'm not or is not. Okay. Are not. Okay, ganun siya. 이거 아니에요. So, it means, pag ginambal ko, 이거 아니에요, it's, okay, it's not. This is not. Okay. 이 orange 아니에요. This is not orange. parang ganun. Okay, that's 아니에요. So, I don't have friends, but I'm not a loner. 저는 친구가 없어요. 그런데 왕따는 아니에요. So, pwede nyo yung yung mga vocabs or yung mga words ma-take down notes. Okay, so that's it for this lesson 6. Yan. So again, from lesson 4, okay, 4, 5, and this lesson 6, please review this one again. And then I'm going to give you another set of quiz. Maybe long quiz. Okay, basta I'll just update you sa GC. Okay, so that's it. 여러분, 감사합니다. Okay, bye-bye.